Hello, today I talk about how to install Siemens TIA port library. Library is reusable program elements like block and data type. Each story in the system. You can use in the different project. Siemens TIA port library including two types. Is project library and global library. Project library just for a specific project. Global library, you can use global library in the different project. You can download the Siemens library in the Siemens website. Look here, it's a library, okay? Different library. In here, can go to here. This is used for different driver library. This was driver library. Okay. Now today I just show you how to install two library. First library called LGF library general function. Okay. First, you should have created the one project. Here is library's definition. Okay. Here. Yes. So you can open one project. Go to the here. Most time with instruction here. Okay. In here. Then we go to the library. Go to the global library. Click here, open global library. Then go to the this one. Okay, this is LGF. This is open library. So you can see here is a library. This library is just the general function library. A lot of for the date type, how to in the data type how to do. Okay. This library. Now we install other library. Is very important library. It's called LSim. This library. This library just for simulation. Most people don't have the hardware for PLC, just use simulation. For example, if you want to do PID simulation, you have to use this library. Okay, we can install here. We open in here, open global library. Okay, now here is this one, LCM, this simulation library. Okay, this one is version 14. Is okay, just update. Okay. Your upgrade, okay, is open library. This is TIA port 14, but this program is version 16. Okay, you can upgrade. Here, look. Here is this one. LSim Library version 3. We can go to here. We can use PTI, this one. Which simulation is PID. Also, we can install other library is similar, is version 2. Okay, we can install this one. This version, this library is version 13. Okay, it's version 13. Okay, open. Okay, upgrade. Here, look, here's version 2 library. Similar this one. Okay, must. Here we can use PT1. Oh, here no. Was here PT1. This one, look. Here we should use this one for PID simulation. LSim PT1 this library to communication with PID. Okay. Okay, that's it. I just show you how to use this library PT1 to do PID simulation. Okay, thank you very much.